Hi guys, it's Jamilla here and I hope you're having a wonderful day today. So for today's video, I am showing you my apartment tour decorated for Christmas. And I'm so excited because yesterday I spent all day decorating this space. The last thing I actually have to do is decorate the Christmas tree, so I'm gonna be doing that with my boyfriend. And then after that, I'll show you a tour of the living room and bedroom. This is my boyfriend, Brandon. He's going to be decorating the Christmas tree.
Let's do it.
And this is the tree. We purchased it from Amazon and I ended up hanging the lights vertically so it's more evenly distributed. So we're starting off here in the entryway, and the only thing that I really change here for the holiday season is the fake plants that I put into this vase. So super pretty fake plants from Michael's. And then when you make your way over on this side, you'll see the living room area. And then we'll go over here because it's right off the entryway, but we have our bar cart over here and just added a couple of Christmas elements. I really love this container I got yesterday. It was $5 from like that little Dollar Tree section at Target, and I really love this disco ball ornament that I got from my friend. So cute. Right next to it, we have our media stand area, and a lot of this decor is really from Target. So I really love these little houses that light up. Just added this really pretty garland. Have our stockings over here. Over on this side we have our Christmas tree, which you already saw, but a lot of these ornaments are DIY, and I tried to go for a more natural theme this year for the Christmas tree. On this side we have the sofa. I'm not a huge fan of like the gray couch against the gray walls, but to kind of balance that out, I love adding texture to the couch. So like covering it up with this really pretty blanket adds that, you know, warmth and light. I really like the look of this little tray. And then I put some matches over here. I just thought it was a cute touch. This is actually the first Christmas tree that me and Brandon own. For 3 years, we decorated this mini tree in our little bedroom. And then we have this little side table, and I found it at the thrift store for like $15. So right off the living room, we have our dining space area. The big highlight here is this garland that I placed on the top of the mirror. They came separately. Just think it looks beautiful and it adds so much height to the space as well. And then on this little table here, we have all of my little thrifted knickknacks. So I got these really pretty brass candle holders from the thrift store, and then these candlesticks are from World Market. Then in the centerpiece, we have our rattan bowl with just some random pine cones. Okay, now making our way into the bedroom. And starting off with the bed here, I really didn't do much in this space, but I did change out the pillows. Just goes to show you don't really have to go all out. You can do something super affordable, change it to a festive color. And this olive tree is actually from our living room, but I decided to bring it in here and then decorate it with some extra lights we had. And over here is my office space. I didn't do anything here. And then this is my dresser. If you haven't seen my makeover on this dresser yet, be sure to check it out. Guys, okay, so I'm here to close out the video. I hope you enjoyed my house tour and just the decorations that we put up for Christmas. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. It will really help my channel a lot. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!